All right, here we go. Week 2, distance learning. Here's your instructions checklist for the week. Going to be a short week with Good Friday, so we'll kind of condense things a little bit. But it looks extensive, but some of it's going to be pushed into next week as well too. So don't freak out from just the looks of it to start here. First thing though, make sure we're logging into Schoology each day and completing that attendance requirement. Please try to have that done by 3 o'clock so I can get attendance entered as soon as I can at 3 o'clock. First thing to do today, and this is going to be due today, Monday, is complete week 2 assignment 1. What that will be is watching the answer key from last week and then a short reflection question. So you go to week 1 assignment, you'll have the answer keys for the practice with demand, practice with supply. I want you to kind of look at your assignments, compare, see how you did, see which ones you got right, which ones you maybe misunderstood a little bit, and then there's just a little reflection question there for kind of where you're at and where you're understanding based on those 2 assignments as well as your formative assessment you took on Friday last week. Next then would be to read pages 60 to 67 in the textbook if you have not done that already. That'll complete chapter 4. And then by tomorrow, this is an extension from last week. So now assignment 3 last week becomes week 2 assignment number 2. So this would be a supply and demand reading from last week that I gave the extension on. That is due tomorrow. Watch content videos posted in the green readings. Currently there's no content videos posted at this time. I will be working on that here this morning, Monday morning, and getting all of those put in there for you so they are ready for you as soon as possible. Next is you've got week 2 assignment number 3. This is the application of supply and demand. This has to do with equilibrium. I'll be posting a update on instructions on that. I think it'll make sense after you get into the reading a little bit. Then we are going to work on your supply and demand case study research. This is going to have this done by Wednesday, April 8th. We're going to discuss it a little bit during our Wednesday Zoom conference. Again, Wednesday, the Zoom conference will be at the same time, 8:20 to 9 a.m. This is required. You'll have to do it, be a little bit more conversation than last week. We'll have to spend a little bit of time really explaining the supply and demand case study, which is something you're going to start this week. It's not due until next week, Tuesday. This is that 10-point college grade assignment for Chapter 4. And then also study, prepare, ask questions for Tuesday, April 14th. This is going to be the quiz that I was planning to take last week, just with the short week and kind of all the issues we had with Schoology. I've pushed it out to next week, Tuesday. So this is your really next big assessment for your college grade. It is next week, Tuesday. So study, prepare, ask questions. This Thursday we will have another formative assessment, similar again. This will be practice preparing us for our big one on next week, Tuesday. So that's pretty much the week. If you have questions, post them in week 2 forum. We'll get back to you as soon as I can. I pray Schoology works better this week. I pray. We'll see. Hope for the best. All right. Talk soon. Bye.